What is centerless grinding? Let's learn with JC tooling. Centerless grinding, also known as centerless machining, is a type of grinding process. It involves two grinding wheels, the regulating wheel and the grinding wheel. The regulating wheel drives the cylindrical workpiece to rotate on the support plate, while the grinding wheel performs the grinding action on the workpiece. Centerless grinding falls under the category of cylindrical grinding. Principles of grinding. Centerless grinding involves three components: the grinding wheel, the regulating wheel, and the workpiece holder rest. The grinding wheel is responsible for the actual grinding. The regulating wheel controls the rotation of the workpiece and provides the feed rate, and the workpiece support holds the workpiece during grinding. While there are various ways these components can interact, the basic principles remain the same. Centerless grinding wheel. The centerless grinding wheel is a type of grinding wheel used on centerless grinding machines. It interacts with the regulating wheel and the support plate to facilitate the grinding process. In this method, the workpiece is supported by the support plate and driven to rotate by the regulating wheel. The centerless grinding wheel then grinds the workpiece. This process results in high surface quality and relatively high precision during workpiece grinding. The choice of grinding wheel granularity is crucial. Coarser centerless grinding wheels are used for rough grinding and are suitable for workpieces with lower precision requirements. In contrast, finer centerless grinding wheels offer higher quality and precision, but at a slightly slower pace. The selection of the appropriate centerless grinding wheel depends on the specific technical requirements of the workpiece. Grinding techniques. Fixed centerless external cylindrical grinding machine. In this setup, the grinding wheel assembly is fixed on the machine bed. The regulating wheel and the support can be adjusted relative to each other. During through feed or plunge grinding, the regulating wheel, support, and workpiece move together for feeding and compensation. Mobile centerless external cylindrical grinding machine. Here, the support is fixed on the machine bed. The grinding wheel assembly and the regulating wheel assembly can be adjusted relative to the support. In special cases, they can also perform feeding movements. The main spindles of the grinding wheel and regulating wheel. In these types of centerless grinding machines often use a double bearing structure. Inclined centerless external cylindrical grinding machine. In this configuration, the line connecting the centers of the grinding wheel and regulating wheel is inclined at an angle alpha to the horizontal plane. The support is fixed on the machine bed. Both the grinding wheel and regulating wheel spindles use a double bearing structure. The regulating wheel assembly can be adjusted relative to the support, and the grinding wheel assembly performs feeding and compensation movements.